We are pleased to show you the 2017
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.